Good morning, children. Welcome to our online SST class. Today we will start our new chapter, chapter 14, Forest of India. In this chapter, we will learn about what are the types, characteristics, and uses of forest in India, about wildlife, how to conserve forest, and wildlife. Children, what is forest? A large area of land covered with trees is known as forest. Large areas of land covered mainly by trees and small plants like shrubs, bushes, creepers and mosses are called forests. The trees and plants in the forest grow on their own. So forests are called natural vegetation. Trees और plants अपने आप जो grow कर जाते हैं उसे हम forest कहते हैं, natural vegetation. Now children, importance of forest or useful forests. Forests are an important and essential natural resources as they provide us with many useful things. They provide us timber, wood pulp, firewood from forest, which are used to make houses, furniture, paper and used as fuel. More than 40% of fuel of the world is supplied by forests. Gum, resin, coke and medicines are also come from forest. Forests provide medicinal plants and herbs. The trees of rainforests also provide medicines. They provide products like gum, rubber, resin, coke and camphor. Forests help in causing rain and they maintain a balance between oxygen and carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Forests control flood and check soil erosion. Forests give shelter to wild animals. They provide shelter to wildlife and fodder to animals. They provide us with nuts, berries and fruits. Forests cover 21.54% of total area of our country. There are different type of forest in India. Type of forest or natural vegetation. First, evergreen forest, deciduous or monsoon forest, thorn forest, coniferous forest, tidal forest or mangrove forest. First is evergreen forest. As the name suggests, the trees in the evergreen forest always remain green. They never shade their leaf completely. These forests remain green throughout the year as all trees do not shed leaves at the same time. These forests are found in Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Tripura, slopes of Western Ghat and Andaman and Nicobar Island. The trees are very tall and have a broad canopy at the top which prevents the sunlight to reach the ground. Trees are rosewood, sandalwood, bamboo, teak, ambone, mahogany, etc. The main trees of these forests are ambone, mahogany, rosewood, bamboo and sandalwood. Evergreen forests are found in the hot and wet region that receive heavy rainfall. These forests are found in the slopes of Western Ghat, hilly area of Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, Arunachal Pradesh, and Andaman and Nicobar Island. Now, deciduous forest or monsoon forest. The trees in these forests shed their leaves in summer season. Teak, sal, and shisham are important trees of these forests. Deciduous forests are found in the southern plateau and along the foothills of Himalaya. In these forests, trees shed their leaves annually. These forests are also known as monsoon forest. These are found in the state of Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu.